Hi, my beautiful people. It's Angela again. Good day from wherever you're watching me from. Today, my youngest daughter is 13 and she wants beef pepper soup for dinner. And now we're gonna be preparing beef pepper soup. And we're going to be using beef for this recipe. I already sliced them. And I'm using habanero pepper, stock cube, and salt for taste, orange bell pepper and green pepper already sliced. And I'm using pepper soup spice, all spice in it. And I'm using a little bit of onions as well. And that's my beef, already poured it in a pan. So now I'm adding a little bit of onion, half of the onion, I sliced it. Onion is completely optional in pepper soup. You don't have to add it if you don't like onions in pepper soup. And I just added stock cube, half of the stock cube, and salt. So I'm going to cook that in its own juice. So as that is busy, I'm going to blend my pepper. Add a little bit of water and I'm using hand blender. Added water so that it can be easy for my blender to blend it. Pepper soup is so easy to prepare. You don't need too much in preparing pepper soup. You can see now that is my meat. I'm just adding the pepper to it. Added my pepper soup spice. Now add the remaining of the onion and the stock cube and salt. I'm going to add now more water, and I'm going to let the meat cook until it's tender. Now my meat is cooked. My pepper soup is ready. You can eat it like this. You don't have to add bell pepper to it, just because it's for my kids. So I just added pepper to give it more colors. I would have added red bell pepper, but I don't have red bell pepper, so this is what I have. Yeah, my pepper soup is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my page. Thank you for joining me. Bye.